Spirits flow through my consciousness into action. There is an eternal springtime in my soul, always rising but never setting is the sun of my destiny. I refuse to worry about anything. I have complete confidence that the God who is always with me is able and willing to direct everything I do, to control my affairs, to lead me into the pathway of peace and happiness. I release every sense of condemnation, either against myself or others. I lose every feeling of animosity. I now understand that there is a principle and a presence in every person, gradually drawing that person into the kingdom of good. I know that the kingdom of God is at hand, and I am resolved to enter it, to possess it, and to let it possess me. I have a silent partner within me whose energy is inexhaustible and whose intelligence is without limit. It is life itself. I maintain close communion with my true center, knowing that the divine spirits operate through me now. I know that I am not limited by anything that has happened or by anything that is now happening. I am entering into an entirely new set of conditions and circumstances. That which has no limit is flowing through my consciousness into action.